What's up YouTube, it's Anthony, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to add video effects in Final Cut Pro. First things first, what you need to do is you need to have an established project and you need to have clips in the timeline. So we've got 3 clips, we've got 1 transition, and I just want to add some video effects to it. We're going to go to the video effects tab. It's right here. It was already open before. So we're going to open it up again, and here we have the effects. So if I click on all video and audio effects, it'll show me everything. But today we're just focusing on video effects. So we're gonna hit all, and under here we can see they have a lot of, and I mean a lot of video effects. But you will also see some video effects that do not come with Final Cut Pro because I've purchased packages that you can buy with plugins. Let's choose a video effect that came with Final Cut Pro because I know it's going to be one that everybody has. Let's go with looks. So under looks, we've got a lot like indie red right here, and it'll actually load you a sample that you can see before you apply it to the actual video clip of what it's going to look like when applied. So if I go around here, whoa, that one's weird. Dry heat, dream, day into night. Interesting. Day into night. Well, since we're here in Phoenix, Arizona, why don't we go with desert glare? So I'm going to drag this onto the video clip, and now it's applied within the timeline. So I'm going to go here, and it's actually showing us the video in the timeline with the video effect applied. So that is very simply how you can add video effects within your Final Cut Pro project. If you liked today's video, definitely subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna have a lot more tutorials coming, and definitely check out some of my drone videos because that's what I do on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.